Hello friends, today we will discuss the definition of the power series, and the series is bounded and the limit exists. Then what we can say about the radius of convergence. If the series is sigma a n x to the power n and the sequence mod of a n to the whole to the power 1 over n is bounded, we set rho is equals to limit n tending to infinity supremum of mod of a n to the whole to the power 1 over n. This is the limit of this, which we can write it up rho. If the sequence is not bounded, we set rho is equals to plus infinite, because if it is not bounded then its limit is infinite, right? Supremum limit is infinite. Now define the radius of convergence. Radius of convergence defined by r. If limit is plus infinite, then radius of convergence is 0, because the function is not bounded. Means that if the series is type n factorial, if this series is 5 type n factorial, sigma a n x to the power n is this type n factorial type, so the limit is n to infinite, and if it is infinite then it means that it does not convert, then radius of convergence is 0. If the limit is in between 0 to infinite, that is the finite number 1 2 and so on, something c type, then the r is equals to radius of convergence is the reciprocal of the limit. Okay, if the limit is 0, if a n to the whole the power 1 over n, which is equals to 0, then what is r is 1 over rho. This will equals to 1 over 0, which is equals to infinite. R is plus infinite, and if this plus infinite, so this implies that r is defined, r radius of convergence is whole region where the function is defined. The interval of the convergence is the open interval between minus r to plus r, right? Now what is the Cauchy-Hadamard theorem? Cauchy-Hadamard theorem is said that r is the radius of convergence of the power series, then the series is absolutely convergent if mod of x is less than 2r. This means that if x is such type thing, then mod of x is less than r, then it is convergent. If r is that, if mod of x is greater than r, then this area, this region where the series is not convergent, then it is divergent. Now let r be the radius of convergence, sigma a n x to the power n. Let k be the closed interval and bounded interval which contain the interval minus r comma r, then the power series uniformly convergent on k. K be the closed interval, that means that k be a